Welcome to the Medtronic Fall Prevention Program. It's recommended that you talk to a medical professional before starting a new program. As with any exercise program, if you feel faint, dizzy, or have any physical discomfort, stop immediately and consult a medical professional. Hi, I'm Melissa.
And I'm Russ.
Thank you so much for joining us today for this fall prevention video. Together, we have over 40 years experience in the health and wellness industry, and we hope by teaching you these exercises, we can help you prevent any types of falls, slips, or trips in the workplace.
This is really important as we all work together during this video series. Concentrate on your core, pulling your core in, and your breath, breathing with the exercises, and you'll find this inner strength that you can develop through good repetition.
Let's get started.
According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor, there were 2.7 million non-fatal workplace injuries and illnesses. The number one workplace injury is slips, trips, and falls. Implementing the following best practices will be a positive step forward in preventing you from becoming a statistic. Number one, move safely. Know before you go. Control your zone. And move your eyes before you fly. Get adequate sleep every night, 7 to 8 hours.
Lost enjoyment of life can be one fall away. There are things you can do to prevent this. Clean up clutter, remove tripping hazards, read medication labels, install safety devices, use adequate lighting, move more carefully. And this is where exercise and balance training comes in.
Awareness of your surroundings, whether outside or inside, it's a key aspect to avoiding slips, trips, and falls. Qigong is a slow, methodical, precise, and flowing series of movements. The result is greater balance, coordination, flexibility, and timing. By practicing and moving slowly, you're able to become aware of your body, your breath, your mind, yourself. Feeding the tree develops a connection with your upper and lower body. This exercise also helps you relax as you concentrate on the breath and precise movements. Take your time with the movements. It enhances coordination, focus, and stability. Crane flaps its wings, helps to strengthen core muscles by activating the abdomen as you do the movement. Core stability and core strength are key factors in training for balance. By doing this movement, we will be activating all the muscles of the body, the legs, the glutes, the pelvis, the back, the arms, shoulders, and neck. This will emphasize coordination, which is important in preventing accidents. Walking between heaven and earth is excellent for finding your rhythm. It's good for your core and your coordination. It's also good for hip and leg problems. Here's what to do. Swing the arms from left to right. The torso turns from side to side, guiding the movement of the arms. The lower body remains facing forward. Notice how the body rocks left and right. Your weight shifts from one foot to the other. From a starting position, move your arms left and shift your weight right with the elbows bent. As you turn, face forward and shift your weight to both feet as the arms move across your chest. Now move your arms right and shift your weight left. Your heel lifts and your arms swing back and up. When we are walking in Qigong, we don't use a normal stride. Step onto the center of the foot. Here's what to do. Rock back and forth, feeling your balance shift from back to front. The balance is in your body and also in your head. This is a mind-body connection. Bend the back leg and maintain this height level as you move forward. The knees stay bent, the tummy tight, stepping onto the center of your foot. Qigong walking is excellent for balance and an excellent practice technique to avoid slips and falls due to the increased surface area of the foot. Follow these particular Qigong movements on a regular basis. You will develop a better coordination, mindful awareness, structural balance, and proper weight distribution. The movements may feel awkward at first, but given time, it will begin to feel more natural and enhance your quality of life.
Good hydration is one of the most important aspects of the diet. Drinking enough liquids to keep the fluid levels in the body topped up helps to ensure that all bodily functions are able to take place as normal. Good nutrition can increase focus, memory, and reaction time, as well as control stress and fight depression and anxiety. The healthy minds can commit, prioritize, eliminate distractions, and conquer great work tasks. And it all starts with your diet. There are some healthy foods that you can load up on. And when you crave junk foods, you can instead take a strategy and incorporate healthier choices. Blueberries, very high in antioxidants and very low in sugar. In fact, a recent study found that subjects who ate 1 cup of blueberries a day for 2 weeks scored significantly higher in classroom tests than those subjects who did not. This is due to increased brain cells in the region of the brain, the hippocampus, that is responsible for memory. You can also try smoothies. Having smoothies daily is a great way to get low-calorie, high-protein snacks and drinks into your diet. A lot of people experience what is known as a midday energy crash. This usually happens a couple of hours after lunch. Sometimes it's because there were too many carbohydrates, simple carbohydrates, eaten at lunch, which causes the blood sugar to crash a bit. To avoid the midday crash, it's really a good practice to include a healthy snack. That can be a piece of fruit and some nut butter, a piece of cheese and some crackers, a protein drink, a handful of nuts or seeds, or perhaps an orange.
Thank you for joining us for the Fall Prevention Program. We hope you have learned some techniques that enhance your core strength and create awareness of your surroundings and prevent falls.
By implementing some of these nutritional best practices, you will find yourself having more energy throughout the day.
I saw you walking
such